If you had to choose a fruit for your skin that could do everything, it could remove face pigmentation, fine lines, acne, lighten your skin, make it glow, reverse aging, this would be the one. There's no other fruit that does all of these things for your skin except for a strawberry. Strawberries can do so much for your skin naturally. And after you watch this video, you probably won't have to buy any more skincare products. I want to tell you one that's really a surprise. Strawberries can actually protect your skin from the harmful UV rays of the sun. I don't know any other fruit that can do that. I'm not saying that it will replace your sunblock, but it does help. Strawberries have a lot of antioxidants, and they have ellagic acid, and this has the ability to inhibit the collagen breakdown under your skin. And this will also help to protect your skin from the harmful UV rays. You don't have to lather it on your skin, but just eating a few berries a day will help to protect your skin a bit from the sun damage. Now, if you have acne-prone skin, you can use strawberries to help you with this. Strawberries can help to reduce the amount of oils on your skin by reducing the sebum levels, so you have less oil production. And they're also very high in vitamin C, which will help to reduce any inflammation and help to control any acne breakouts. So just eat about 10 to 12 strawberries a week. You can also apply it on your face if you want to do that as well. You can crush up a few berries with a spoon of honey and apply that to your skin and leave it on for about 10 minutes and wash off. And do this only once a week. But just eating them should be enough. Next one is for your eyes. Maybe you have bags under your eyes and you're tired of using cucumbers. You can use strawberries. They have astringent properties and help to reduce any under eye puffiness. You just want to slice a couple of cold strawberries and put a few of the slices under your eyes and leave them there for 15 minutes. And after that, you should have smooth, beautiful eyes without any puffiness. Strawberries naturally have a built-in little scrubbies with the seeds, so you can puree the strawberries and use them as a scrubby for your face when you want to exfoliate your skin. You just crush up a few of the berries with the seeds and all and rub that over your skin and wash that off. The little seeds help to remove any of the dead skins on your face. And strawberries are actually loaded with alpha hydroxy acids, which help to eliminate any dead skin cells. Strawberries have a lot of salicylic acid, which helps in reducing any hyperpigmentation or dark spots that you might have. It also helps to tighten the pores and prevent the accumulation of any kind of bacteria. To brighten your skin and remove pigmentation with strawberries, take 2 to 3 tablespoons of strawberry puree. Add a tablespoon of lime juice to this and apply this mask to the pigmented area of your skin and leave it there for 15 minutes. And then wash it off with some warm water. Strawberries will give your skin an overall beautiful glow inside out, whether you apply it on top of the skin or just eat them. Strawberries naturally help to stop the breakdown of collagen, keeping you looking younger longer. Besides for your skin, strawberries are excellent for your heart, your eyes, fighting cancer, and so many more things. So start eating some strawberries. 10 to 12 strawberries is more than enough. You don't even have to overdo it, and it will do a great job taking care of your beautiful skin. Please like and subscribe and let me know in the comments down below how you have used strawberries.